Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to favorite JFs on Discord mobile. Discord taps into Google-owned JF search engine, Tenor, to offer up an endless collection of JFs. This can be easily accessed and shared to any text conversation or channel. Here's how to do it. Open up a direct message thread or text channel. You'll find all your direct message threads on the left side of the app's home screen. Text channels are visible on the left sidebar within a server, preceded by the number symbol. Then, click the JF button in the message box at the bottom. In the Discord mobile, you can tap the emoji icon and switch to the JF tab. Select one of the many pre-made categories from the resulting pop-up or simply enter what you're looking for into the built-in search bar. Then, click on any of the listed JFs to instantly share them to the thread. You can also click the star icon in the top right corner to add individual JFs to your favorites, displayed at the top of the JF box. You could, of course, share JF from anywhere else on the web as well. If you ever feel the need to do so, simply right-click the image, copy the image address, paste it into the message box, and hit enter. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.